Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Gonna show you 16 by 7 inch and 3/8 urethane clopay door, and what had happened. I'm gonna show you here because it's up there, but I can probably see it. Yeah, there we go. So what happened is this door was being opened with a broken spring, and that piece of angle wasn't in there. That's something I fixed. They had an opener bracket on there that was done hodgepodged, and the outside, it looked like the top section was tilted back like about 3 inches. There was a huge gap in between the third and the top panel. And the sections were severely ripped down there at the bottom of the top and the top of the third. So what we did is we put in those square metal plates. We took everything off, we put the square metal plates on, screwed the metal plates into the door, and then screwed the hinge in with a bunch of self-tappers. You could see them all, and repaired this top section with glass is big money, and it's insulated and it's arched, and it's a lot of money for this panel. So instead of doing all that, we fixed it. And the other thing we did is we clamped the broken spring. So then some jokers put on a 250/31 and a 225. So we're gonna put on two of the same springs, so you don't have to monkey around with this thing. I don't know why anyone would do that, but that's like kind of ridiculous. But this day and age, any real door guy's got multiple springs in his trucks. Those guys are hamburgers. That's all we're gonna say about that. So we'll probably do a part 2 video here on when it's all done and rolling, and we'll go from there. So 16/7 door fixed by us with the nice repair kit. Innovative 632-719-343 www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thank you for watching. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our quick little ripped top section video. If you are to rip it, replace it, and you can fix it, call us. We'll fix it for you. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.